that?
Yan ang aalamin nyo. I want you to go there and investigate. Tandaan nyo, hindi natin alam kung saan ito nanggagaling. Kaya be careful. Don't engage hanggat wala akong sinasabi. Move it!
Roger, Doctor!
Let's go, Little John.
Attention. Attention. All machines launching ready. Attention. Launch operations on.
What the heck is that?
Be careful, guys. Baka makakita pa rin tayo ng any sign of life.
There's no opening or doors. Wala rin tao dyan.
What about the light on top? Bakit kaya may umiikot na ilaw?
Ooh, I can help. Octo 1 can scan it.
Go ahead, Octo 1. Gamitin mo scanners mo.
Roger, Roger, Kuya Steve.
Be careful, Octo 1.
Yep.
Opening frigate, hatch now.
Okay, let's see. Uh-oh. We have a major problem.
What are you talking about?
Scanners reveal it's a neutrino bomb. This bomb is a world destroyer. When this goes off, it's game over. Adios, Tierra. Sayonara, Chikyu.
Octo 1, malalaman mo ba kung may timer to? Or active yung bomb? Or kailan sasabog? Please check.
Scanners confirm we have 15 minutes and 30 seconds, more or less. Or less?
Octo 1, you better get back here. Mark the timer.
Roger, Roger, Kuya Steve.
Dr. Hook, what are we going to do with this?
Doc, we only have 15 minutes left.
I know. Let me think. Sa space. Tama. Get the thing out of here at doon nyo yan pasabugin.
Roger. Team, we have to vault in, saka natin bubunutin tong bombang ito. Do you copy?
Copy.
Let's vault in! Come on, team. Let's pull this thing out.
transmission. Team Alien frequency signature as before.
On screen. Ikaw na naman.
Huwag niyo nang pahirapan ang inyong mga sarili mga taga-Tererto. At tanggapin niyo na lang inyong mga kapalaran. Ilang sandali na lang ay sasabog na ang bombang yan. At magugunaw na rin ang inyong mundo!
May nagsabi na ba sa'yo na mukha kang uwang?
Uwang? Ano yun?
End transmission.
Sure, sir.
We can do this, guys! Pull harder!
Masyado mabigat!
Kuya, in-increase ko na yung energy level pero wala pa rin.
Dr. Hook, nothing happened. Di man lang ho gumalaw yung bomba.
Ilang minuto pang natitira.
13 minutes, Doctor.
Can you find a way to disable the timer?
Octo 1, may paraan ba?
Well, we have to crack the code, then cut the oscillating crystal timer. But we only have a few minutes, more or less. More, less.
Dr. Hook, what are we going to do now?
Bumalik na kayo dito. Do you hear me?
Steve, easy! Baka mag-detonate ka sa ginagawa mo eh. No choice na tayo. We have to get to the timer and stop it.
Walter's team, hindi niyo ba ako naririnig? Back to base! Now!
What? Hindi, Doctor. Ano, hayaan lang natin sumabog yung bomba?
I said bumalik na kayo dito. That's an order!
Dr. Hook, we took an oath to protect and defend the Earth.
Steve, for Christ's sake, listen to me. Bumalik na kayo dito.
Kung sumabog man tong bombang to, gusto ko nang sumabog ng lumalaban. Team, we have to fight. Nako, Rocket!
Titigas ng ulo ng mga kaibigan niyo.
Laser Sword! Steve, that's too dangerous. We have no choice, Mark.
Kuya, baka sumabog lang yan.
Tama si Kuya Bert, ayoko sumabog, Kuya.
Or maybe we won't little John.
Kuya Steve, tara na!
If you wanna go home now, sige, pwede ka nang bumalik. Team, mag-vote out na kayo. Stay ako dito. Mas gusto kong mamatay figuring out how to destroy this bomb. Save yourselves! Vote out now!
Steve, no! Steve, we're a team, okay? We will all stay, di ba, guys?
Oo. Sama-sama nating harapin to.
Okay, team. If that's the case, we only have 4 minutes left. Gagawin natin ang lahat to stop this bomb.
Hey, Steve! Look up!
Ano yan? May bomba na may kalaban pa?
Ah! Team, get ready to fight kung kinakailangan. Roger!
Roger!